Today we will be make this spinner, or we can say this mechanical drawing. Uh, so first we have to set the units, U and enter, and then this dialog box is come. I set in centimeters. So second step is to make the layers. Now I am creating the layers as I need center lines and objects. So this layers I am creating now. See, be carefully how I am creating. Choose the colors for the layers so you can be differentiate between the objects. Select the layer in which layer you want to work. Now I am making ortho for the straight line, making now the center line. This is you must be know because this is for little professional man can make it. Line command I take by L command. Now I am rotating this object to get the center point of the objects. So this is rotate copy. Now it becomes this center point I get for this circles. Mostly when we are making such a drawings, we create first center point like arrow, like a cross. So this is second, uh, this is the circle 160 dia regarding to this drawing. I make it because this uh, crossing is or center point is smaller than the object, so I am making this scale by SC command. No, my center points are bigger than my object, so it's okay now. I am moving because this must be up to the UCS.
Why this one? Eh, okay.
So this is the second circle for the center line. That is 80. So there is crossing the lines and circle. This is the center point for my the next circle. So I am using here offset as I have the radius. For example, this is 9 radius, so I will make offset 9 both sides from the center line. And also in center line, I will be make one circle 9 radius. So go to object first the layers and then C enter and 9 enter. This is the radius as I required. Both side I will be make top and bottom. And I trim the ordinary what I not need the parts. Now second circle also this radius is 20. So I will make the offset first from the center 2020 both sides. Then I will make one circle from center 20 radius and then I trim the extra lines. Is the lines but I don't need. This is also erased because we don't need. No, this is my one segment is completed. For others, I will be array for other threes. So AR enter and take the polar and take the center and items change there is 3 because we need here 3. The rest part we will be meet by the first explore this because in new version is no take fillet command and meet to and segments to each other. So if you follow these steps, you can be make very easily this drawing, this type of drawings, mostly the similar and have similar procedure to make it. So this is a center circle we are making now, and this is left only. So we will be make again fillet radius, and we will be select outside objects. See now this is completed now. Very easily you can make it. Now you have to show the dimensions. So we will go to dimension layer. We have to take diameter. We can take diameters. If we have radius, we put here radius. Here we have to do the dimension settings. So at least we can see what we are mentioning in the drawing. So this is little setting regarding to the arrows, text size, and also what the precisions we need making this one. No, see, still we have to create the dimension layers for this. We can be use no dimensions layer to put the dimensions there. So this is our dimensions. See now, very easily we make this spinner in AutoCAD. AutoCAD is very good for making the drawings, each and every type of drawings. So I hope you will be understand this, how to make this mechanical drawing in AutoCAD. Please subscribe my channel so you can get my uploaded videos immediately and you can learn about this subject. Thank you.